Ah, hello and welcome. Everybody's hungry, we got to make some more food. Yeah, happens every day. So this is a bit of a cautionary tale. You see, when you adjust to the Mediterranean diet, things get a little different. First, the reliance on vegetarian protein and things like that, or non-meat, means that your blood sugar tends to stabilize. You don't get so hungry. That's kind of neat, but it transforms the way you approach dinner, because instead of being this thing you just have to do because it's the end of the world because you're starving, it becomes just, let's have a plate of food. Second thing, some people develop a craving for sweets. Just give in to it. You'll be fine. You'll make up for the calories in other ways. And the third thing is that you will develop, you will lose your tolerance for manufactured food. I'm sorry, but once you start eating that healthy, plant-based kind of stuff, you'll like it, and your body will like it. And then when you go back to eating manufactured food, it's going to be a bit of a challenge. So what am I rambling on about? Well, it's an experience I had that highlights this. The other night, I was unenthusiastic about making dinner. Oh, gee, it's just a plate of food anyway. So I had some frozen meatballs that I've been playing around with. I had some bottled marinara. I had some very nice hoagie rolls. Yeah, had some cheese. Had some onions and some peppers. Made a very nice meatball sub using just industrial ingredients you can buy at the supermarket. I nearly died. Oh my heavens, was I sick. So yeah, once you do this Mediterranean diet, you need to be aware of the fact that your tolerance for restaurant food will decrease. Be it food you get at a restaurant or food of restaurant quality you bring home and make yourself. So that's it. Just be aware. This will change your world. It'll make food less important to you. You have to be ready for that. And so that's it. That's a cautionary tale. This is social media. Please do that social thing and subscribe, like, share, or else YouTube will send me off to no man's land. That's it. Thank you. Goodbye.